Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aini here. Today on this beautiful day, I'm going to make some sweet potato pudding. Right here we have some sweet potatoes, 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. We have 2 cups of coconut milk, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, salt, some nutmeg, and some mixed spice. So before we get into this video, please to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and please to hit the post notification bell below so you don't miss out on any video that I post. So let's get into the video. Okay, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together: the flour, the mixed spice, the nutmeg, and the salt. Mixing those together and then adding them to the potato. Cup of sugar. Put the coconut milk. This is the liquid that you're going to do. Let me give it a little stir. Mix these together. This is the mixture right here, guys. This is the consistency. Now I have my baking tin right here, flour. Half normally put no bubbles inside. Alright, now I'm gonna put these in the oven for 1 hour. I'm gonna put it on a heat and then you lower the heat for the last 15 minutes. Alright guys, that's it. Time to put them in the oven. Now guys, see, we have our pudding. Look at that, that is so yummy. Ooh. Yes guys, that's it, my peeps. So remember to subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.